Okay, so if you've made some substantial changes to a page and you wish to check that everything's looking as it should before you go ahead and publish it, then you can easily do that. So let's take the Edinburgh page on our little example website, and let me go ahead and just insert a new block of text, and let's go and insert an image, and then let's put that image over onto the right. So if I insert that, and now let's just resize that image a bit. Okay, so I've made some changes. Now, in order to check that they're all looking good on the actual website before you publish it, what you should do is you come down here and click on the Save Draft button. And when you do that, it will save the page, but it won't make it live. So it will save it to the draft site. So once that's done, what we can then do is preview the draft site and see how it's looking. So if we go across to the very bottom right hand corner of the CMS here, you'll see this icon that looks like a pen and paper. And that's indicating that we're currently in editing mode. If we click on it, it will give us three options to choose between. At the moment you can see we're on edit mode, but we can also go into preview mode or split mode. Now, preview mode allows you to preview the page, as it explains, and split mode, if you've got a big enough screen and you go into split mode, that will enable you to have the editing interface and the preview mode visible at the same time, but you do need a large screen for that. So let's click on preview mode. And what you can see is that the page opens up in preview mode. Now at the moment, you can see that it's showing the older version of the page, so the page which is currently live, because remember we just saved it, we didn't publish those changes. And down here you can see that it's highlighted saying that it's showing us the published page. But what we're interested in is looking at the draft site, because we want to see exactly what those changes that we just made look like. So if we click on draft, the page now changes to show us the changes that we just made, and that's all looking good to me. So once you're happy, you can click back down here on our mode toggle icon, and we can click back into edit mode, and then we can go ahead and click save and publish, and those changes are now pushed to the live site.